Well, hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. We're here in Senegal, wonderful scenery. We're having the fun of our life. Come on, yes. Even though we are here in Senegal, guys, in like 5 hours or so, we will be in Gambia, or 7 hours, I guess. So guys, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. It's my first day here in Senegal, but like not my first day because I'm now transiting to Gambia. But let me show you guys this room, and this scenery is giving me Marrakesh vibes. Let me just show you. This is the wardrobe situation over here, and on the other side you have a mirror. Hey, and that's me. Here is like the bathroom, like the basin, and then the toilet. Cute. And right here is where the bed is. I mean, it's slept in, so it looks like this. So guys, this is my view for like 2 minutes because I'm living here. It overlooks the pool, and you can see like all the rooms there. It is so beautiful, so beautiful. Now I want to go have breakfast. I feel like these earrings are ridiculous, but we move. And this is iron scar. So beautiful, like gorgeous area for breakfast. So nice.
Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man,
We're about to start the journey.
it's something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one of
Hey guys. So we are on our way to Gambia. I have to change my outfit because plans have changed. We're not doing the lion walk again today, and it's his fault over there. Change my outfit for like road trip appropriate things. And then when I get on the ferry to travel to Gambia, because we're going to Gambia now. So when I get on the ferry, I am going to change my outfit again.
love to your greatness, famous for the way up. Play the game, bro. Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah. You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. I'm always flirting with pain. She like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's.
Guys, we are currently at the border going to Gambia. So we need to get our passport stamp. Hey guys, future Lade here. So I got to the ferry point at night and I couldn't show you the journey on this day, but I took the journey again the next day just so I can show you guys. The ferry point is called Barra, and it costs $25 per person to board. You enter through these gates to get to the ferry, and then the ferry can take 4 trucks, 27 cars, and 480 persons. I mean, look at them even loading like the last truck to come in. The ferry is so big, and even though I was so scared about this aspect of my trip, once I got on, I was just at ease. So there are spaces upstairs, there are spaces downstairs, and then in the middle, and then there are spaces like down below. There are 2 ferries that ply this route daily, and we even saw the other ferry on the water. It was so good to see. Guys, just look at everything loaded up. The journey was so smooth, so easy, and then in 30 minutes we're in Banjul, Gambia's capital. Guys, welcome to Senegambia. We are here after literally we crossed land and seas to get here. We actually crossed land and seas, air, land, seas. The hotel is beautiful, but I feel like I want to show you guys the hotel tomorrow when it's bright, because it's like past 10 now and everywhere is dark, so like the beauty will not show well, and it's not well lit. It's a resort, so they don't have like lights all around and things like that. I don't know if I want to go out and do nightlife. Everybody wants to. I think if I do, it's because of peer pressure, not because I actually want to.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. Hello from Senegambia. I'm here dressed ready to start the day very early. It's like what, 8 o'clock. I want to go have breakfast now, and then after that we're going to the Kunta Kinteh Island, the Crocodile Park, and then the Serekunda Market. I hope I'm pronouncing all these right. But yes, I promised you guys a room tour, so let me give you a room tour of room here in Senegambia Beach Hotel. So guys, this is the entrance to the room. It has like a sliding door situation here, and then to your right where you have the AC, a chair, and then fridge. Just look at the door of this toilet. In here you have the bathroom like this. Then you have the wash and basin area, and that's me. Hi. And then the toilets. If you come out here, you have the bed situation. We're two in a room, so we have a twin bed. And then this is the wardrobe. I don't want to show you guys what's inside, but yeah, the wardrobe, quite spacious. And then you have drawers here. There is a place here, I don't know what this is for, but then there's a light. Then maybe to just store your stuff. And then this 1835 television. I remember the last time I saw one of these hunchback TVs. Here you have dresser and a mirror. That's it. Let me show you the views outside. Outside just opens up to nice greenery. Look at that, so beautiful. And then you have like a table thing here. I mean L22. I'll take a picture here. I feel like it will be so cool. Let's go for breakfast. And vegetation. This place is massive. It's more like a resort. Like so beautiful. I like to see this in sunlight, you know.
I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man. I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing. I just do it on destiny. I got the blessing, persistence and obsession.
She wants very spicy, please. Yeah. I'm so
rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. You can't stop what's moving. You can't stop what's moving. I'm changing my life.
So getting to the monkey park now. I don't want any monkey on me. There's a beach right in front. Now at the monkey park, we've spotted our first monkey. Hello, I'm going to name you Rashid. Your name is Rashid. Oh, this one is another color.
When you go inside, you see this. On granite, mostly colors different.
And even it's hairy but ugly. The face is ugly. This one is finer.
I don't have granite.
Sitting away, having fun. Look at them. Don't come near me, please. Oh, this one has a child.
Hold it properly. Hold it.
Don't stop, please. We are now at the Kachikally Crocodile Park and Museum, guys. We're going to be touching crocs. And I don't mean the sandal or the slippers. I mean actual crocodile. So once you enter the museum, you see all of these first, and then the writings and inscriptions are there. This is the Jola masquerade. So they do the masquerade in like a replica of the person they're talking about. Guys, see the crocodiles. I thought it was a statue, but they are real. Whoa. Hello.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
They are waiting for you.
Wow. Why is this one's mouth open?
Rolling down.
Oh, I see.
Like other animals.
Amazing.
The albino crocodile here with us. Holy. Wow. You see?
Oh my God.
How do you know it's a female?
It's the color.
What's the color difference between male and female? Because I don't see color.
No, you don't see them. You see that you're not living with them. When you live with them, you'll see a huge difference.
Wow.
See that other one down there?
Yes.
It's a female one. She laid her eggs over there, but now having babies. So they really isolate themselves from the rest.
I'm just here walking in between crocodiles. Amazing.
They
are very respected.
Guys, they escape to the villages during the rainy season. We just go on the ferry and we're going to Kunta Kinteh Island. I'm actually tired. I'm not even going to lie. After many hours, we're now at the Kunta Kinteh Island.
My brother.
Yay! So we're about to take a boat ride to the other side of the island. So that's like 2 boat rides in one day. So annoying.
Right now it's called Albreda. So the next one we're going to see the museum is called Jeffrey. But these two villages combined is what is known as Roots, because Roots, this is the place where Alex Haley, one of the first African Americans, after sacking in America and different part of the world for 12 years, where he was able to make it for the first time in 1967 to come and trace back his roots in 1967. So there, after the second time of coming in 1972 and 1976, finally get him to publish the book and the film to make him the first African American to trace back his roots. So that's why the two villages are generally known as Roots, but they are two separate villages headed by different one. And that's one of the popularities of this particular destination. And the other reason was because it used to be the main character of the settlement of Europeans in this part of Africa, especially in the Gambia, either before slavery, during slavery, and after slavery. When I said before slavery, because early Europeans who were the Portuguese start coming down here even before the advent of Atlantic slave trade. So they were coming here as explorers to look for the mineral wealth that we have in this continent here, and that eventually along the way turned to become what we call today the Atlantic slave trade. And in the Gambia, the main powerhouse of that particular Atlantic slave trade is what we have there. That's the Kunta Kinteh Island, which used to have different name, but today it's called the Kunta Kinteh Island, where we're going from here. And that's the main historical site in the Gambia, which is connected by different other places we'll be talking about as we go. And when I also said after slavery, one of the testimony or evidence can be seen over there where you can see the cannons. After so many years of slavery in Africa, enslaving our people for more than 400 years, that was when the British so-called start coming down to Africa to say they are fighting for the abolition of slavery on humanitarian ground when it was economical reasons and stuff like. So the first thing they did when they arrived in Africa, especially Gambia, there was one place they established in the Gambia in 1810, which is known as the Freedom Flag Post. But the iron pole we have there was the original one. It's a replica of the original one, which used to be the wooden pole that was being used as a flag of freedom. One is able to.
The amount of water body I've crossed on this trip.
physically strong, they only call them aggressive. And the reason why they decided to do that was to physically and mentally torture them in all forms, so that by the end of their 2-week stay here, they would be left with nothing but only become very weak. Once they load them in this place, they have no strength to become strength, because they understand that at any point they're trying to ship our ancestors across the Atlantic. From every 100, they will lose something like 13-30%. And after not only been living here like we are here right now, they put shackles on their legs and hands. And the daily meal that is coming to the ones every day has to come through this window. And the capacities were not being recognized to say this is because it was meant for only 10 to 15 people. But slavery was far beyond that during those days, because that was human rights observation. The only thing they concern is overloading for replacement purposes, because they knew in place like here some are going to die, so they have to overload the number for replacement of those who might die, likewise in the slaves. So the only limitation here is 10, but once the number is more than not only 40, all these places like here have been overloaded.
Guys, when I tell you my tired is tired, best believe today was just from caressing crocodiles to letting monkeys just lay on my arm, to learning about the history of slave trade here in the Gambia. It's just been like an amazing day. I'm going to close out the vlog here. I bought some souvenir that I probably want to do a mini haul of here in this vlog. Okay, let's do that before I close out the vlog. So these are some of the things I got. A fridge magnet, because why not? Necklace that I hope that my husband will wear, because I got it for him. It's long, it's black, it's just simple and nice. I got this cowrie neck piece for myself. It's just so pretty, and I'm sure that if it's sold in Nigeria it will be so ridiculous in price. I also got this cowrie bracelet, this key holder, and also another key holder. So yeah, this is everything I got for today from the Gambia. We're supposed to also go to Senegal market, but there was no time, and then I got this from the arts and crafts shop at the monkey park. So guys, that's everything. I'm going to close out the vlog here. As I go back like this, I just showered and I'm about to go to bed. I wanted to have dinner, went to the restaurant to order. I even already placed my order. Then I asked them, do you take card please? They say no. I'm just like, ugh, I don't have enough dalasi, which is the Gambian currency, to change or to pay. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you liked it, please give it a like button and also subscribe to my channel. If you would have questions about this vlog or visiting Gambia, traveling to Senegal, just leave it in the comment section and I'm going to get to it. I always answer all my comments, okay? If there are any more information, I'm sure I left them on screen, just things that you need to know. Until next time, bye guys.